Oh yeah, I got the perfect song for the kids to sing. And all my people that...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching and thank you for also subscribing down below. So I know it's been a pretty long time since I uploaded a new video, but I just got a new phone. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max and I wanted to wait till my phone came in before I uploaded or did any new videos because this camera quality, guys, if you cannot already tell, is bomb. So for this video, I did a braid out / twist out. I've seen it going around a lot on Instagram and I wanted to try this look out on myself and see how it turned out. So if you guys would like to see how I got these results, just keep watching.
So this is what my hair looks like by the end of the week. My hair was just in a low ponytail this past week, so I'm just showing you guys how I go about my whole wash day process and everything. So first I put my hair in sections and I will be pre-pooing my hair. I always pre-poo and detangle before I wash because it makes it so much easier to actually wash and style my hair if I detangle it first. First, I kind of just go through each section and separate my curls as much as possible to just help the detangling process. Then I'll be going in with my spray bottle. It just has water in it and I like to spray my hair down to get it nice and damp. Then I just go ahead and start finger detangling my hair some more, again just to separate the curls as much as possible to aid the detangling process. So now I'm going in with my oil blend. I'm using a lot of thick and heavy oils when pre-pooing just to help prevent breakage or any damaging of my hair. I think thick oils really do a good job when I pre-poo my hair to really get it ready to be washed. And if I don't use a thick oil, then I will just use a nice thickening conditioner to pre-poo my hair. Once that's done, I split this section I'm working with in half and spray it some more, and then I can go in with my Demon brush to further detangle my hair. So if you're new here, I always detangle and work with my hair in sections. It just makes the whole washing, styling process so much easier working with my hair in smaller sections because I have very thick natural hair. I have a few different hair textures and I also have low porosity, so it is a little harder to work with my hair. And once I'm done fully detangling that section, I twist it up and I move on to the rest. Also, I weekly co-wash and deep condition my hair and I only shampoo my hair once a month. I found that my hair responds better to only washing monthly using shampoo, but that can be different for everyone. So now this is what my hair looks like after it's all detangled, and then I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out. Now I am going in with my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is actually a deep conditioner, but I use it as a leave-in conditioner. It is by Eden Body Works, and I will have it linked down below. I do add a pretty generous amount just because I really want to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized and it gets evenly distributed to all of my strands. Next, I'm going in with my So Shea Butter by Natural Sun Beauty. This was actually made by one of my close friends. She has her own business and she makes some really awesome products. So if you would like to check her stuff out, I will also have that link down below for you guys. I absolutely love this shea butter. It goes with every and any product I use to pair with it. Now I'm going in with my grapeseed and avocado oil just to lock in my moisture and add some shine to my hair before I go on to actually styling. And I'm only using this shea butter as my styling product. I already have a twist out and a braid out video on my channel, so it's a pretty similar technique, but it is a little different since I am actually combining the two. So I'm just starting with a medium sized section of hair, making sure that it is fully detangled, and then I will begin to braid. I like to start my braids off really tight just to make sure it's not loose or it'll unravel or anything. So I make sure to pull it really tight at the ends and then work my way down, making sure that each strand stays detangled as I braid down. And then about halfway down, I will begin my twist. So I just combine two sections together and then twist it all the way down to the end like you guys see. And this is what it will look like when you're finished. I like the braid because it gives stretch, but the twist kind of, I don't know, I just love twist outs. But like the braid outs give you that stretch and definition, and then twist just kind of give you a nice definition and curl at the end. So I think the marriage of the two just turns out to be a perfect hairstyle, and I'll probably be doing these Bwistouts more often. Okay, so now I am finished braiding all of my hair. I want to say I did about 20 braids. I'm not exactly sure, but I think about 20 braids in my hair. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more oil, just again to lock in all that moisture. And I know my hair looks really white right now. It looks like a lot of product buildup, but it does dry completely clear, as you guys can see. So you don't see any type of flaking, excess product, nothing like that. Shea butter dries perfectly into my hair and leaves so much moisture and definition. So now that my hair is completely dry, I'm able to begin unraveling and taking down my twist. I like to make sure my hands are nice and oiled to reduce any frizz with my hair, because that will allow your style to last so much longer by reducing the frizz and not separating so much when you're first taking it down. So of course, while I'm talking about reducing frizz and stuff, I'm sure you guys can see frizz happening as I'm separating my hair. I had just done my nails when I was taking my hair out, so I think that was like affecting how I unraveled my twist, and I was just like rushing and my nails were getting caught and stuff. But nevertheless, I do have some really good definition going on, lots of shine with my hair. I'm telling you guys, this shea butter is the truth. I'm just showing some extra unraveling clips for satisfaction purposes, honestly. I know a lot of people, including myself, like to watch and enjoy this part of the process of actually seeing the takedown of the hair and all the definition and, you know, all that fun stuff. Okay, so now my hair is all unraveled completely, and I like to do this extra step. I like to stretch my hair a bit because I don't like my hair looking in its full shrunken state, especially on day one. That's really cringy to me. So I'm taking some scrunchies and just sectioning off my hair to stretch. Smaller sections the better, so I think I put my hair in about 8 sections to stretch it out, and then I'm actually going to sit under the dryer under some cool air for about 10 minutes just to give a little more length to my hair. You could definitely stretch your hair for longer than 10 minutes, but I think you need at least 10 minutes. But you could definitely keep your hair in its stretched state all day, overnight, whatever you decide. So now I'm just taking out all my scrunchies, and then I'm going to grab my pick to fluff out my hair a little bit more to my desired liking, and then that's pretty much it for this look. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Do